In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export passwords from Google Chrome. By the end, you'll have a single file with your saved logins that you can move to another browser or password manager. We'll do everything inside Chrome on your computer, and I'll point out a few tips to keep your information safe while you go. Start in Chrome and look to the top right corner for the three dots, often called the More menu. Click that, then choose Settings. This opens Chrome's main settings page where we can manage browsing, privacy, and most importantly for today, your saved passwords. On the left side, select Autofill and Passwords. This is where Chrome groups everything related to forms, payment methods, and passwords. You'll see options that control how Chrome remembers what you type and where your credentials are stored. Next, click Google Password Manager. This opens a dedicated page for your saved passwords. It's the central place Chrome uses to store and manage all the logins you've saved over time. If you use multiple Chrome profiles, make sure you're in the profile that actually holds the passwords you want to export. Inside Password Manager, click the Settings gear. This area controls features like password saving, alerts, and the export option we're after. We're going here so you can download your passwords in a single portable file. Find and click Export. Chrome will show a warning explaining that the exported file contains your passwords in plain text. That's normal and important to understand. Anyone who gets access to this file can read the passwords. You may be asked to confirm your identity using your computer's login or device passcode. That prompt is a security measure to protect your data. Finally, click Save. Choose a location you trust and can easily find and give the file a clear name. The file is saved as a CSV, which many password managers and browsers can import. Because this file is sensitive, store it somewhere secure and avoid putting it in shared folders or sending it through unencrypted channels. If you do decide to open it, remember that the contents are visible, so handle it with care. And that's it. You've exported your Chrome passwords by going to the three dots, Settings, Autofill and Passwords, Google Password Manager, Settings, Export, and then Save. Use the CSV to import into a new manager or simply keep it as a backup and treat it like any other confidential document. Thanks for watching and great job taking control of your saved passwords.